we'd been looking for some nice jars to put tea, coffee and sugar in. Ones that weren't too small nor too big. Now these jars, obviously the three the same size, and they've got the black one on the right that's available. As you can see, what I liked about them, I can pull across from one hand and just take the lid off like that. It's got the sealable lid like that. Very nice. You can put it straight back on. I like the wood grain effect. If you're making a cup of tea, you know, you've got plenty of sugar in there. Put the lid back on, just slide it away without having to do these silly movements with certain lids. Now I got these from Ikea in Leeds, and we got 3 of them ones and a spare one and a black one. So anyway, if I find a good product, I'm going to tell you about them. And my recommendations are a thumbs up for these if you want tea, coffee and sugar. You might have to get some labels, of course, to put them on there, but we just keep tea, coffee, sugar in that order so we know what they are. And in the next one, I'm going to be showing some tools that I bought recently. So start looking out for my videos. If they're good products, I'm going to tell you about them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.